Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video and comment as well. Thank you. This is how my hair was looking at 3 weeks when I got my dreads. This picture was taken on Christmas 2017. This was the second retwist I had. Please don't say anything about my forehead, but yes, my dread. This was the last time I got my hair professionally retwisted. 5 months and yeah, hair kind of frizzy. So I tried palm rolling my own dreadlocks, I guess. 7 months. Don't talk about how I look in this picture, just 7 months. 8 months, July 10th, 2018. Y'all bear with me. Dreadloc put me on my hair. So it's been 8 months. I haven't had a root twist in a couple months. Professionally done, I guess you could say. This is how it looks. Extremely dark. Thank you, Jesus. 8 months. 8 months. So I said I'll probably just edit all of them and then combine to make one big video, you know. Right now. And sitting waiting. It's like doing a mini vlog in one video. I don't know. But so this is usually what I have in my head when my hair is looking the way it is and everything. It's so hard. Yeah, but I had to take like 2 selfies to this thing. Major, nothing happening, so. You just gotta be real with Jesus. You just gotta be real with yourself on this walk. And that's just what it is. You gotta know that Jesus Christ is right there with you, no matter where you go. I saw a post somewhere, and it had a African American woman with a crown on her head, and then it on the thing it said, "My Father is with me wherever I go." And then and then it came from somewhere, St. John. But when I went to that passage in the Bible, it literally was it was Jesus saying that the Father was with him whithersoever he goes. And I was like, I couldn't even post a picture. It was a nice saying. It looked good and it sounded good. But then I looked at what was actually in the Word of God, and the picture took that out of context. And I think I do that a lot too. I think I take a lot out of the Bible and then take it out of context. That's why I gotta read the Word for myself and show myself approved unto God, not unto the next person or to grandma, granddaddy, and everybody else. No, I have to show myself approved unto God, unto Jesus Christ, the man that died on the cross, rose up 3 days later with all power in his hand, defeating the grave, sin, and hell. And oh man, let's worship the Lord our God, Jesus Christ, in spirit and in truth. Oh man, I almost cried. Not just now, I'm talking about earlier, but just thinking about it. But I hope y'all subscribe. You know, keep watching the videos and everything.
And bless the Lord. Bless the Lord.